How can I create a death block?
Well, you're going to need a script and a block.
Use that blue block.
Okay. So we'll click on the block and we will, over here there's a plus sign, say add script. So script is computer code. It's instructions on what to do. This script says, if the script's parent, who's the script's parent? It's the death block because the script is inside the death parent. If the script's parent is touched, then connect to this function. That's computer talk. Then it says, if game.Players, that's the list of all the players. FindFirstChild, hit.Parent.Name. So hit is the object that hit the block. So we're going to say that person, their parent, and the name of it. So if Cletus Van Dam had a left foot that hit the part, it says, so this is the parent. So if that parent's name is found in the list of game players, basically saying if the player is alive and playing, then the hit.Parent.Humanoid, that's you can see the humanoid inside Cletus Van Dam. Then they're going to take damage. And huge math just means like a bazillion. They could have just written 100. And so 100 damage will usually kill you. But in some cases, you just want to say like the biggest number ever. And so we've got this script. I'm going to do Command S to save it. And now I'm going to go back to our building place. And let's run it and see what happens when we hit that block. Oh my gosh. Whew. This place is falling apart. Death block. Oh, this looks fun. La 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 la. Please subscribe. Please.